Good morning everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we will learn the difference between speed and velocity. There is a minor difference between these two terms. In this video we will understand that what is the difference between speed and velocity, or what is speed and what is velocity. So let's start our video. First we need to understand the basic concept of scalar and vector quantities. Scalar quantities are those which are completely described by their magnitude only. For example, mass. Mass is completely described by its magnitude and its unit. For example, 1 kilogram of sugar, 1 kilogram of salt. Only the numerical value and its unit completely describes the whole quantity. But in some cases, direction is also required with numerical value and unit. For example, when we're talking about force, we will not only discuss its unit and numerical value, but we also discuss the direction of force. So, other quantities like momentum. When we're talking about momentum, we are not only discussing about its numerical value and unit, but we are also discussing about the direction of momentum. When we are talking about acceleration, we are not only discussing about its numerical value and unit only, we are also talking about its direction. In short, vector quantities are those in which we not only discuss about the numerical value and unit, but we also discuss the direction of the quantity. The common examples of vector quantities are force, momentum, acceleration, etc. So, speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. In speed, we only discuss about the numerical value and the unit of the quantity, which is meter per second, the SI unit, and there are a lot of other units like kilometer per hour, meter per hour, etc. So in speed, we do not talk about the direction of motion. We define speed as distances per unit time. That how much distance an object covers in a certain time. In this whole case, we does not talk about the direction. We are only discussing how much distance an object can cover in a certain time. This is called the speed of the object. In velocity, there is a minor difference of direction only. Velocity is defined as displacement covered in unit time. Displacement means we are taking direction along with numerical value and appropriate unit. Let us consider an example to understand this concept. Consider an apple falling from a tree due to the gravitational force of attraction of the earth. In this case, when we talk about the speed or velocity of the apple, we will not only discuss about the numerical value and unit of its speed or velocity, but we will also discuss its direction of motion, which is due to the gravitational force of earth. So if I describe the speed or velocity of this apple, I will the magnitude of its speed or velocity, but I will also mention the direction of its motion, which is downward due to the gravitational force of earth. So the basic difference between speed and velocity is that velocity also requires direction for the complete description that how fast an object is traveling.